Welcome to WKU Preview Day, your gateway to discovering life on the Hill.
Join us for a free open house event where you'll explore our outstanding academic offerings, vibrant student activities, and stunning campus.
Your day begins with check-in, followed by an informative expo where you can connect with representatives from various academic departments, student services, housing, financial aid, and more. After a warm welcome, dive into academic program sessions to learn more about your field of interest. Enjoy a complimentary lunch and use your remaining lunchtime to discuss admissions, financial aid, and student services. In the afternoon, attend sessions on study abroad, Greek life, athletics, recreation and wellness, financial assistance and scholarship opportunities, admissions, food on campus, Mahurin Honors College, student activities and organizations, Intercultural Student Engagement Center, Academic and Career Development Center, Housing and Residence Life, Counseling Center, and Accessibility and Resource Center. End your day with a full campus tour, experiencing firsthand what makes WKU special. We can't wait to see you at WKU Preview Day.